Welcome back. Again, we are here with our 6 stretches, a 70 count today. So I know we've been having a little bit of snow down here in Dallas, and you've probably been laying around or whatever. I can't say that you've been laying around, but this is a good time to get your legs stretching and get it cooking for the winter time, or even before you go out in the world and do whatever you need to do. Let's get a 5-minute stretch in. So we have the active pyramid, we also have the active half split, and then moving on to the toe touches with the blocks, and then we have our alternating toe touches with the blocks, shortly moving on to the lower back stretch, and then ending off with the high heel toe touches, and then we have our meditation practice. Please do not forget to breathe during this stretch, and also like, comment, and subscribe, and have a blessed and beautiful day. Bye.
I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then all the magic go. I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
this up. T-shirt and pants on. No, he little bit good for show. His favorite red pop. He got motion and I get it too. The sexy so connected. Food on with the pussy. Ain't have to make no spaghetti. Feeling love so bad. My friends say I'm forgetting. Pray don't play with my kid. This shit gon' get domestic. You ain't gotta say a word, you get me what I'm looking for. I gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I just wanna thank God and do. Really love her too. You lay around and got time to have my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I love her.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, and I used to think that I wasn't wild enough. But I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games. What's this all about? And I can't believe you hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen in me. But I guess it was all just make believe. Oh, never knew. Now, I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none, bye, bye, run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna stay, then I'll you play. You playing with my yeah. You playing with my yeah. You playing with my you playing with me, oh boy. Take me over. I know you got the run. Oh, take me under. I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none, bye, bye, run, baby, bye. I can get the real.